Hey guys, Brad here again this week. In this week's video, we're going to be going over the basic designs of a Fishroom air system. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. In last week's video, we saw some of the components that you'll need for a Fishroom air system, so if you missed that video, I'll link it in the cards above. We'll start off here with a basic outline of my Fishroom. These are all the tanks that I have and their current positions. This will give you a rough idea. The black outline is the outline of the room, the blue boxes are the tanks, and the red outline is the outline of the closed loop system. As you can see here, this is a rendering of a two-tank system. This is just the airlines for the two-tank system. As you can see, the top line is the part of the closed loop, that's why it extends out, and the second line is going to fall in between the two tanks in the rack. This here, as you can see, is how the double rack system looks with the tanks installed around the pipes. I didn't bother to draw the stand in, but you can get the basic idea. To turn this system into a triple rack, or even more if you want to, all you have to do is add T's at each level where you want to cut it off for the different levels of tanks. In this slide, we've moved the pump out into a remote room, and we've added a crisscross to the top. This is a good design for if you have a larger fish room and you want to be able to add more tanks in the center section in the future. In this slide now, we've taken the system and modified it one more time. By adding valves, you are able to isolate each section of the air system, allowing you to dismantle part of the fish room at any given time without having to lose air pressure in your current tanks. In this last slide here, this is one of the drop downs with a bleed-off valve added to it. By adding a bleed-off valve, it allows you to balance out your system, and it's good if you have multiple depth tanks. For a better description of this, I'll link a video from Ted Judy in the cards above. This here, you can see the inside diameter of the PVC that I use is 3/4 inch. If you're using 1 inch PVC, the inside diameter would be 1 inch. When picking the size of your PVC, you have to take into account how many tanks you're going to be running and the overall output of the air that you want to have. More tanks equals more air equals larger pipe. Now you have the basic design of the air system down. Stay tuned in the next couple weeks when I show you the basic construction and installation of an air system. I'm still waiting on a couple components to come in, so no promises on when it will be here. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Bye guys.